To change the headlight, once you get the fairing off, this rubber boot will pull off the outside edge. Once you're in here, you unhook this clip and the bulb comes out. Never touch your bulb before you put it back in. Put your new bulb in. It only fits in there one way. Rehook the clip. Take your rubber boot. Rubber boot pushes back on. And that's how you change the headlight lamp. Okay, to change the fog lights or the running lights, all you have to do is take the light bulb, turn it a quarter of a turn, it clicks, and it pulls out. Do not touch your bulb. You touch your bulb, you get a fingerprint on it, it will burn it out pretty quickly. Bulb back in the slot, only goes one way, turn it so it faces down, so when you put your wires back on, they pop right up in place. If you ever have to take this out or want to replace it, put a halo or something in there, 2 screws at the top, 2 screws at the bottom, the whole assembly will pull off into your hand. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, hit the like button on the video, and check out the other videos. We're going to have plenty more on pieces and parts of your Kawasaki Voyager.